Multilingual Zendesk Live Chat. In this demo, we'll be demonstrating a support agent communicating with a customer over Zendesk Live Chat, where the agent speaks English and the customer is switching between both Spanish and Japanese. To use Language.io's chat translation within Zendesk, we'll begin by navigating to the Zendesk home screen. Click into the support section, where the agent manages chat conversations with customers. First, let's set the agent's availability to online so that we can begin receiving chats. Now we'll flip to the customer's point of view. In this example, the customer speaks Spanish while the support agent speaks English. The customer requests chat support on the standard Zendesk support portal by clicking into the chat interface on the website they are browsing. Language.io instantly detects the language of this customer's browser locale. The customer sends a chat message in their native language. This particular message contains a handful of misspellings, abbreviations, and jargon, all of which can be difficult for generic machine translation engines to properly translate. On the agent's end, they receive an incoming chat notification either inside the agent workspace or, like in this example, the main chat screen. The agent accepts the incoming chat. As the agent does not understand the language of the incoming message, they navigate to the Language.io interface directly in their Zendesk app, where they click the Translate with Language.io button. The language is automatically identified and translated into the agent's language in real time. All of the misspellings, jargon, and abbreviations have been translated correctly. Clicking the Show Original button allows the agent to view the message in the customer's language. If the translation is unclear, the agent has the option to retranslate, sending the text to the next translation engine in line. Once the agent understands the message, they reply to the customer in their native language, and the customer receives that response in Spanish. Should the user change their language mid-conversation, such as this Spanish-speaking customer switching to Japanese, the agent will first receive an untranslated message. In the event that the agent does not speak this new language, they can simply hit the Redetect Locale button to pick up on the new language and then click to translate. On the back end, the aggregation layer selects the optimal translation engine for the new language pair, which is now Japanese and English. The message then instantly appears in the agent's native language. In cases where a reply can be a generic response, the agent can click on the Apply Macro button. This gives the agent the option to select the appropriate pre-translated response from the list, which they can then send. The user will then receive the response in their native language. Upon resolving the issue, the chat ends for both the agent and the customer. After the chat, the agent or customer service team can access and review the chat scripts. The list of chats is visible, and any conversation can be reviewed in more depth. Within a specific chat transcript, users can view the conversation in both the agent's and customer's native language. All of this data can be exported. The data is only accessible via Zendesk. To preserve data privacy, Language.io does not store any of the chat content in our server. For more information on Language.io's solution for Zendesk Chat, reach out to us to connect with an expert or to get a live demo.